Are you an IT expert struggling to make money with your skills? In this YouTube video, I'm going to show you 10 ways by which you can make passive income with your God-given talent as an IT expert. Hi everyone, my name is Ademola Kazim. Welcome to New Year. Happy New Year to everyone. In every single year, everyone has New Year resolution, and I felt, oh, maybe this year is your year where you use your God-given talents, the knowledge that you have acquired over the years to make something tangible for yourself. So in this YouTube video, I intend to show you, like 10 different ways by which you can make some passive income from your skills. So let's go. The first way by which you can make a passive income is by getting a part-time job in another company. So let me give you an instance. Let's say you work in Europe and then you're working 9 to 5 in Europe. So once you finish your job between 9 to 5, you can get another job as a remote engineer or as a remote product manager or project manager or security experts in America as a remote job between 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. So in between those times for you to be able to make a passive income as using your skills that you've gotten in order for you to make those passive income. So that's the first way by which you can make a passive income from your God-given talent. The second way by which you can make passive income is by teaching your software engineering knowledge or product engineering knowledge or cybersecurity knowledge, maybe online. For instance, there are a lot of different websites by which you can actually register. If you have an in-depth knowledge of what you do, for instance, let's say you know JavaScript very well as a software engineer, you can actually go on Udemy, for instance, and register as a trainer and record a video and then upload it there, and it will be giving you passive income. Another way by which you can make passive income from your talent or your skill is by launching a business. A lot of people, while they are still working with their companies, they kind of like write a couple of, maybe if they are software engineers, they can start writing some code beside. Maybe when they finish work in the evening, they can just, start something by the side and start the company, and then eventually it grows into something big, and then they can eventually resign from their current job. So this is another way by which you can make a passive income. Another way by which you can make money is writing a book. This can generate for a very long time for you. There are a lot of books that we read today that are software engineering books, cybersecurity books, cloud engineering books, and so many other books that eventually we find out that these people that wrote these books, they're just getting the money. Even when they retire, they're still getting money off those books. Another way by which you can do this is by launching a YouTube channel. A lot of people believe that YouTube is actually the biggest university in the world because it's free, and then you can learn anything on YouTube, including software engineering, cloud engineering, cybersecurity, product management, anything you want, you can actually learn on it for free. So you can launch yours too and make passive income while doing it. Another way by which you can do this is by launching a blog post. You can start a blog website and start posting about your experiences, about your technical abilities, making people to learn from you. And in doing so, you can add some form of Google AdSense so that people who come to your website can actually click, and then you can make a little bit of money from the side. If you're a software engineer, you can write code snippets, you can write blog posts about how to do something, maybe how to write a little bit of code so that people can go there and see how they can do something that you already have knowledge about. It could be how to set something up, it could be how to secure a particular website, it could be anything that you are writing blog post about, but you can still make a little bit of money by the side. You could do this even with medium.com. There are a lot of different websites by which you can write a blog post on it. You could either launch your own website and do it, or you use Medium. Medium.com is actually a great place to start. You can actually make your passive income doing this. Another way is by building an app. It could be a Chrome extension, it could be your normal mobile apps, it could be anything. Like you just build the product and then you put it there on the whether Android or iOS, then you start earning money while you're not just even thinking about it. And then you just do it, you develop your application, you leave it there, and then before you know it, you're already making a lot of passive income from it without even thinking about it. Another way is by creating a website where people can go and actually learn about maybe how to do interviews, how to write codes. They have different write-ups which helps you to prepare for interviews, for you to do system designs, for you to do programming, whether in Python or in Java, how to set up infrastructures, and a host of other ones. So they are called Grokking. There are a lot of them on the internet. So you could actually start this. If you know that you're very good at this, you can actually create one and then start making money. A lot of them you actually pay per year, like a subscription based application in which you can just log in there and then learn about how to do interviews. You can actually pick one too and just develop one and help people pass their interviews, help people to know more about system design and algorithmic thinking. Another way by which you can make passive income is through consulting work. When I was in Nigeria, I used to help people build websites. After work, I just go in there, create a couple of WordPress applications and help people get on the internet if they are selling products or they are selling services, and help them to get on the internet, and then that's it. So, and then you make your money by the side. So that's another way by which you can make passive income. You create websites for people, you create portal for people, a consulting job. If you are a cybersecurity expert, you can also do the same. Product manager, anything, depending on whatever it is that you are doing, you can actually do it and help people and at the same time get paid for your time. The last but not the least is freelancing. There are a lot of different websites, including Fiverr.com, Upwork. These are websites where people go in there, you bid for projects, you do it, and then you get paid, and while still maintaining your actual job. So these are like 10 different ways by which you can make passive but not so passive income. As a software engineer, cloud engineer, cybersecurity expert, or machine learning expert, whatever it is, the skills that you have as an IT expert, these are some of the ways by which you can make actual passive income. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.